Make a great choice today with the 2017
Buick Envision. Envision is a luxury crossover designed to turn heads and welcome you in with its quality craftsmanship, spirited performance, and conversation-friendly cabin that will make your driving experience worthwhile. The Envision's handsome exterior and well-styled cabin are appealing, while its value-packed features list serves as a cherry on top.
and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, outside temperature gauge, power sunroof, backup camera, leather upholstery, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means this is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.